Oh, that was unpleasant. It definitely came in my mouth a little bit. That's what he said. So. Sorry, you guys, if this audio is messed up because I'm using my front-facing camera. Usually I use my other camera because my front-facing camera tends to do that weird audio thing. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't already know me, my name is Brittany. I'm very sick. I mean, I always look pretty rough, but like, I've been really sick for the past like 3-4 days. I was sick to my graduation. I was sick to the day of the first day of my new job. I'm sick 2 days after that. My doctor put me on. My doctor put me on antibiotics, and like cough medicine, and my inhaler, because I have asthma on top of that. So yeah, your girl is fucked. Like, I am sick. So I figured I'm gonna use a NetiPot for the first time, and I'm gonna record it, because I have been, hold on, let me just show you something really quick. Disgusting. So normally my floor is much cleaner than this, besides my stuffed animals and my records. Those are always there, on the ground, and my laptop, and my, yeah. But these tissues and stuff are never here. I promise you that. I've just been so sick that I've just been, snot. Like, this is just in my room. I have more snot in my bathroom. Like, trash can is just filled to the top. Like, in my boyfriend's car, he has some tissues. My grandparents' cars, like, upstairs in my boyfriend's, like, room, because we stay with my grandparents currently. Like, there's just my snot rags, like, everywhere at this point. I pretty much just figured what better time to try a NetiPot than now, because I just have, like, this endless stream of snot. just endless stream of snot. So, we're gonna have some interesting results. So, if you're not interested in seeing bodily excretions, a lot of boogers, don't watch this video. We're in my bathroom. This is, goddamn. It's gonna be a hard video to make. I got this at Walmart. My grandpa got it for me. You can get them at Kroger, probably, Walgreens, CVS. Hold on, I need to turn on my fan. I'm like really hot. Okay. Yeah, I think you can get these at most like drugstores. I got it in like the pharmacy area. Drug-free, no burning, preservative-free. It says nasal flow NetiPot. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's just 50 packets of saline solutions, the sodium mix. So it's basically literally just the plastic pot, and then 50 packets of the sodium stuff. That's it. And then the instructions, of course, and warnings. So I'm gonna rinse this in my sink really quick. Rinsed it off with some like warm to hot water. And it says fill the bottle. So fill this. Wait, it says, God, so this is Parents' Choice distilled water. I'm just gonna, there's a little mark, I don't know if you guys can see it because it's like dark and where there's a lot of things reflecting, but there's a little mark right there that tells you how high to fill it if you don't know how much 8 fluid ounces is, because I don't. So I'm just gonna pour that up to that line. Cut the sinus rinse. I need a fill-in, don't come for me, first of all. Cut the sinus rinse mixture packet at the corner and pour contents into the pot. Tighten the lid on the device securely. Place one finger over the hole in the cap and shake the device gently to dissolve the mixture. So it's just gonna be taking one of these, cutting it, and then dumping it in there. It's pretty easy to just rip it like that. I don't know if y'all saw. That's how that looks inside there. So I put my finger over top and I shook it, but it still got everywhere. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do it now. Step 3. Standing in front of a sink, bend forward to your comfort level and tilt your head to the left. Keeping your mouth open and without holding your breath, allow the tip of the device snugly against your right nasal passage and allow the solution to gently flow until the solution starts draining from the opposite nasal passage. Use roughly half the solution in the nasal flow. It should not enter your mouth unless you are tilting your head backwards. Okay, so don't tilt my head backwards because I really don't want this stuff to come out my mouth. That's disgusting. Okay. Okay. I chose one. I didn't think I was gonna be recording a video, so I'm wearing my pajamas. Alright, so to put it in my left one, right? Oh, that was unpleasant. It definitely came in my mouth a little bit. That's what he said. Oh, I've never had that much snot come out when I blew my nose at once. Hold on, I need more. Eight. Definitely somewhat pretty unpleasant, and it tastes really bad. Oh, I look horrible in this lighting from close. But I'm gonna flip it around and do the opposite side now with the front-facing camera for a different angle for the other side. Before I did it in my right nose and it came out my left side, so I'm gonna put it in my left nose so it comes out my right side. At least it didn't come out my mouth that time. I need to get toilet paper. It does say to blow your nose gently because, you know, without putting pressure on your eardrums. Okay. That's the first deep breath I've taken through my nose in the past, like, 4 to 5 days. That felt so good. I gotta blow my nose again. See, contrary to popular belief, I'm not a mouth breather. least I try not to be. But like whenever I'm sick, I have to mouth breathe. And it makes me so uncomfortable. It gives me a headache, it makes my jaw hurt. Oh my god. So to finally be able to breathe through my nose again. Even if it's temporary, is amazing. End of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. That was really gross and uncomfortable, but I do plan on doing it again regardless because I can like at least sort of breathe through my nose now. So I hope you guys enjoyed that weird, disgusting video. Like, subscribe, and comment for more.